Hey, what's going on guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the string slice method. So it's basically equals to the array slice method, but it's for the string properties. So sorry about that, string prototypes. And now what I'm gonna do is create a string equals and now what I'm gonna do is lorem. If you type lorem and press tab, it's gonna give you a boilerplate. And now what I'm gonna do is string dot as usual the slice method, and inside that what we're gonna pass is something like a 31, and as the first argument goes, if we pass the first argument, after that it's gonna give you the others. So after there, so from here to up to the 31, and after that it's gonna give you up to the end. So this is what it does. If you wanna change something like from where to where, like that, so what we need to do is 4 comma 19. Now it's gonna give you up to 4, that means to here up to the 19. So m up to the 19. So this is what it does. And you can go -2, and now you're gonna say how we gonna go minus. So in the case of minus, it's gonna take from the back. So if we do like -4, it's gonna give you a rum, that means from here to here. So this is what it does. What the heck? See, lump. So this is what it does. And you can by optionally pass another argument like -5, -4. So, and it's gonna give you, I'm gonna give it -9, from -9 to -5. So lab. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.